Premium fire pit requires a premium burner system. Pans, covers, aluminum, no rust. The burners are brass, again, no rust, lifetime warranty. Natural gas or propane, we're going to get a taller, brighter, more active flame. Using our chart, we decided to run a 1.5-inch line because of distance and output of our flames. We have a push-button ignition system on the inside here for the 2 tree-style burners in the center for an intimate setting. Or we can light the other 2 for a more rowdy crowd. This fire pit is going to be full of flame. All our clients need to do is choose between 2 media, a rounded lava rock or glass. A licensed bonded gas tech and an inspector will put this to rest.